Welcome! In this video, we will cover how drivers can either approve or reject a log edit made by their admin. Depending on the structure of your company, you might have either a fleet manager or admin who can fix your logs for you. Please note that before an admin or fleet manager will be able to edit a log, the driver must first have verified the original log in the system. If somebody other than you, the driver, is making any edits to your logs, you will need to approve these changes because as the driver, you are ultimately responsible for your own logs. The driver will know right away once somebody else has made an edit to any of your logs, as you will see this yellow brownish warning at the top of your HOS logs page. This information is also visible to you if you were to scroll down and look at the list view of any logs. Any edits will also appear in a yellow color here. Drivers will be expected to review any edits, and then if they do look correct, they can verify this information in a couple of different ways. Drivers can simply review the information and then scroll up to the top and click Accept and Verify here. This will accept and verify all logs or changes for that day. You can also verify these individually or in the event that you need to reject the edits. Maybe these are not correct changes. Drivers will simply click on the log in question, review the information, and then can either click reject or accept from here. That's all we have for this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.